Today, I'm going to go out and do a maintenance run on 7 geocaches, 2 of which I plan to archive to refresh the game board. If that sounds like something that's fun for you, come join me. For our first stop, I recovered one stage of a multi right here before they took down the fence, and we're just going to pick up the second stage just in case they decide to replace the entire fence. Sounds like a good preventative maintenance. So what I picked up is one of the stages of Huffing and Puffing, a multi that's based on the 3 Little Pigs. And this is the straw. So, very good idea to go ahead and pick it up.
In a quarter mile, your destination will be on the left. Your destination is on the left.
So this one should be a fairly easy find, but has a DNF on it. So, gonna go check and see if it's there. The geocache name was Call Collect. It was missing. It's only been here for a little while, so just your basic height, and I just went ahead and replaced it. Well, this geocache was here, been here for 5 years, lost its cap. The people reported that the log was completely soaked, and so they didn't even sign it. What I'm going to do, this is 5 years old, really doesn't have any favorite points because it's not much of a hide. So I'm going to see if I can look around and hide something better. Alright, well, it's still a pretty simple hide, but it is a multi and it's going to go into a better container. So that's one way to refresh the game board. This is a geocache that I set about 6 years ago to mark the new parking area for the trail. And it was reported that it was wet, which surprised me. But now that I see that somebody took it upon themselves to strap it to the container upside down, completely understood. Anytime you do this, water will just seep into the container. But rather than just replace it, since it's 5 years old, I'm going to refresh the game board, find something better, probably a multi, and set it back out. A lot of people locally are trying to fill in their calendar with multis, so I have refreshed the game board by turning this into a multi, but keeping the intent of letting people know where the parking is. So what a beautiful little road. This is the home of Where's the Flippin' Log, happens to be my favorite hide that I've ever hidden. And it is in fact missing. I'm not quite prepared to replace it right now, but I'll go home and sometime in the next couple days, I'll get it back up and running. With 70% favorite points, it deserves to be kept up. Well, that's it. So we enabled one, we left 2 disabled, and we archived 2 and have refreshed the game board. So pretty good day. And I want to tell you, thanks for joining me.